let's quickly touch on one of the names in the space that is actually in an uptrend, and that's Innovative Industrial Properties. Now, of course, a different business completely here, with it being a REIT. Although if you look at the chart, a little bit of resistance around the 50-day moving average, but it's in an uptrend. So what do you say to investors who look at this and say, oh, well, this is one of the only ones right now in this space that's moving higher?
Sure, yeah. Innovative Industrial Properties is really one of the only companies that has an attractive looking technical profile right now in the cannabis industry. It's really been on an uptrend for a while and got up to a certain level and has pretty much stayed there. But we think that there are a number of sort of unique characteristics about the company that have led it to be able to advance that much. Some of which are attractive, but ultimately it is a real estate investment trust. So, it's really the only vehicle on a major U.S. exchange other than, an ETF index fund that allows you to participate in the industry, in the U.S. industry. So most of the U.S. companies can't trade on major exchanges yet, just because cannabis is still federally illegal in the U.S. IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, does not directly touch the plant, so to speak. So they buy properties from cannabis companies and lease them back. So they're really just a property owner. But if you look at this company in the context of real estate investment trusts, which is what it is, it really trades at a very steep valuation premium compared to those REIT peers. So we think IIPR has really benefited just from sort of a scarcity factor, really being the only large vehicle that institutional investors who can't invest in plant-touching stocks can participate in, and it's traded on the NYSE, and so it's really benefited from that. But we think investors should be careful when looking at it, because it is trading at such a high valuation for the type of investment vehicle that it is.